Hello, my name is Paul Hosking. I'm the founder and managing director of WhaTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make use of our featured images facility. Featured images allows you to use images from your own collection, but also we have some stock images that you're able to use as part of being a member of WhaTech. This is the featured images facility is something that's being built all the time and will evolve with more images and better features. We appreciate you giving it a go and trying to use it, and through your feedback we hope to improve it and make it work exactly how you need it to work for you. Okay, so I'm logged into WhaTech. We'll go to post news. I'm going to do a demonstration post using one of our trial members' accounts. So we just go add news, as you know. Okay, so I'm going to do this market research report here about aircraft actuator. Now I'm going to create an exciting headline. I'm going to use that as the second half of the headline, and I'm going to use the global and that is growing. Okay, so that would be a highly recommended headline, although we're going to get onto the images fairly soon. So of course it's going to be an aerospace article, and we'll grab some. We'll going to use this generic this specific information here as the first paragraph, and then put some extra this material here as the first part of the second paragraph, and go back to our I'm going to add that as the there, and with that diagram that's here, that's a generic diagram, so it's not really worth including from what I can tell, and we'll actually call it a quits there. I'm going to add a link. Oops, there we go. A link in here. I notice that there's a grammar area such as increased safety. Okay, and what? Yeah, make that bold. Notice that I'm putting it up here. I've also put the link in here, so that it's one of the first things that at the very top of the article, and I'll put another call to action here. Okay. Okay, and wants me to correct that. Okay, so all seems to be good. Now, you notice that we haven't inserted the image yet. That's right. So we need to save it as a draft first. So it's going to save in a draft and it'll give us a message. Okay, and we've got, here it is. So because we've chosen aerospace as a category, it's given us the aerospace images. That's the generic image. There's also another generic image. If you don't happen to click that image, you will get the generic image from that category. If you click that image, you'll get this image, or you can upload your image. So if we go upload image, I've already got a image I've got ready to go. So I'm going to drop that there, and I'm going to call it aircraft. Okay, and which will be a generic one. Now this image, once you upload it, is only available to you. It's not shared across other users. So it'll be there next time you upload an aircraft story, so you can access it, or you can upload a new one again. When you do upload an image, so I'm going to upload that now. when you do upload an image, it will be resized in the process. Okay, so that's now been uploaded and resized, and also you'll notice it's also been cropped. So it's made it more wide to fit in with the format of our website. Now I'm just looking at that. First paragraph looks good. Okay, we can add some keywords. I'm going to add companies. Well, I'm going to add aircraft actuators in the keywords. And I'll leave it at that. I'll mark it. And I'll add the first sentence from the intro as the... Now, you don't need to fill in this, and if you're adding video, you can do that. Now, normally when this adds the contact to the website, so that when someone clicks on it, it opens up their email. So that's set generically as that. You can add something different. So we've added our own image. We could have chosen a stock image, and we're ready to post for approval. So once it's posted for approval, its status has changed, and we now have access to it in our interface. So I hope that explains images. If you've got any more feedback, please share it with me, because we always improve what we do from what you tell us. Thanks very much.